Hi everyone, I'm Lewis Hamilton. Thanks for plugging in to watch my guide brought to you by Hilton Honors. It's time to visit our North American cousins. Round 7, the Canadian Grand Prix. They say the man-made island in Montreal where we race is quiet for the rest of the year. I don't believe it. Canada is always switched on. Ice hockey, music, cafe culture and bars, and the people are so friendly. Canada signed up for F1 in 1967, and 11 years later, the Gilles Villeneuve circuit in Montreal became its permanent home. Lap length, 4.3 kilometers, race length, 70 laps, total distance, 305 kilometers. What's important here? Straight line speed, good braking, and an ability to attack the curves. Overtaking chances are good, but it's tricky to hook up a lap with 14 corners and 4 high-speed straights running in between the barriers. Chances of a safety car? High. My advice? Don't add your name to the infamous world champions by crashing at the final chicane. Sitting on an island in the middle of the river, prepare for wind and rain. The best bit about racing in Canada? The city of Montreal. I always get a warm and friendly welcome. To access a better way to travel, visit honors.com and discover a world of experiences with more than 3,800 destinations and travel benefits like room upgrades and free Wi-Fi. Let's get ready for the Canadian Grand Prix. Sign up to Honors today.